Hi friends! In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube Chat. First open YouTube, sign in if you're not, and open Chat from here. I've already added a YouTube user, and now let's add another one. Copy the link and send it to your friends via email, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, or any other social network. Our friend have to take link and paste it in his browser where he's logged and click accept. For this tutorial, I used two of my accounts to show you how it works. And now we can talk and share videos in chat. The new user appeared in my list. Here we send him a message. We have the option to see participants to our conversation, to add another participants from our list, and here we can delete our conversation. We can talk only with a particular user. Also, we have option to visit our users channel. We may choose not to receive notification from this user or to delete the conversation with him. Click on user. You'll be able to chat with him. Here you can delete user from your list or block him. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and if so, please subscribe and see you soon. Bye!